Hi everyone, this is my project which is called Outsider. So the background of my game is that uh, there is a very huge disaster happened when in the close future, and there are many people. Most of the people are killed in the disasters, and the disaster is because nuclear and huge pollution and the rise of the sea levels because of pollution and the technology which are used in the wrong way, like making weapons. So our main character is a son of a few survivor, and uh, when he grew up, he decided to leave the shelter of all the survivors and go to explore the world. So the game will be mostly in open world, and there are many different ruins. You can get into the ruins in a secret enter, and once you get in the ruins, there will be only one exit, so you need to get through the level and find the exit and find some treasures and enemies to defeat and get experience in the ruins. So the enemies will be uh, the normal person, which after unfortunately mutated in the disaster. And this is a like action game, so the player will have can have different combos using different weapons. So in the game, the players can walk around freely and attack. And you can just using the left mouse key to have the normal attack and have different special attacks between the normal attacks. And you can also switch weapons. And, and you can even switch weapons when you are attacking and make a smoother combo with them. So I'll add more weapons in the future, but now it's just two of the weapons. So maybe I'll add some huge weapons so you can make the enemies can't move and use high damage weapons to attack them. So for the UI, there's now just the player's health over here and the enemy's health. And enemy will patrol to a random position in the map. And when she finds a player, she will come and trying to attack our player. And when player in the very far distance, she will cast a spell and try to hit our player. And when we get closer, she will use a close attack. And when she gets hit, she will act differently from the player attack from the different position. And there's also some like a very fair time slow when player hits the enemy, and there will be a screen shake when player hits the enemy. And when the enemy dies, she will, and our character dies, they will say something randomly chosen from the dialogues.
I will return. Next.
Like this. And for the player's blueprint, this is the player's animation blueprint, and there's also like some tables and the class for screen shakes and also enemy controller, AI controller blueprints and behavior trees. So this is character's blueprint. So it will listen to the player's mouse input and like the third person starter content has like some normal jump and walk around movement, and this part are for the attacks like the light attack and heavy attack. And this part is for the combos, and the combos are uh, right in a table. So we need to read the data from that table and set the damage and uh, the combo, like maybe the second attack or third attack, like that, and play the animations. And this part will set the collision of the weapon enabled when player uh, using the left or right mouse key and when the animation is played to a certain part. And this is the logical judgment when the collision is triggered, like the weapon has a collision with the enemy. So this is the part where the time will be slow when player hit the enemy and the screen shake. And this part is for apply the damage and change weapons and initialize. So this is a blueprint for the enemy, uh, where how she casts her spell and use the normal attacks and apply the damage and some status like is she getting her hit or uh, set her speed in the different status, and to see where the character hit the enemy and is it in the front or not. And when she gets hurt, she will be pushed away. Yeah, yeah. So that's basically my project, and thanks for watching.